Hello all. Our project name is exam application, that is Android application for college examination and application. Our mentor name is Professor Mrs. Vaishali Gatti ma'am, and the project is made by the Sadhna Nagar and Kajal Wagmode. So the introduction of the project is, as there are different applications available for different exams, but in this project the application is developed specifically for college or schools. There are different sites also available who are taking the different exams such as aptitude or language related exams too. With this application it is possible to create any kind of MCQ exam with the time constraint. Next is the problem definition. So there are only few Android applications available in the App Store. Some of the apps are not free and apps are not secure. So these are the problem definitions for the application. Next is the objective. So the aim of this application is to use the real-time data, that is Firebase, Cloud or Firestore, to store all the information such as questions, number of questions, total marks, timings and information for the test, etc. So everything in this application such as questions or their objectives or the answer of that question, even the user information is stored onto the Firebase, and we have fetch all this data from the Firebase only. So in this application is designed in such a way that it stores and fetches all the data from the Firebase real-time database. As no local data is stored, the application is secure and we can create any kind of MCQ test easily in this application. So next is the existing system. So the existing systems are applications of these applications are hard coded with questions and options. So there are different applications which are hard coded their questions, such for example they have coded that questions into the code itself, but in this application we have fetch all the question or store all these questions and their answers onto the Firebase itself. So every time the every application is fetches the data from the that Firebase database. So the purpose of this system, we have used the real-time database and also all the information are retrieved from the database. It takes less time and it is user friendly. All the correct answers are also stored in the database. So there are different modules in this application. So first module is a splash screen and login screen. So the splash screen is the image displayed on after click on that app, and it redirects to the login activity. The login activity takes the user's phone number and its password. Next is the registration activity. We have made the registration with the help of OTP authentication. Next is the home page where user can see the different categories of sets available. Next is the test activity where after clicking on that category, so the categories are the subjects such as general knowledge, Python, Java, etc. And after clicking on that category, the user can see the number of tests. So there are different number of tests, and from that test user can choose any of the test categories. Next, the test category, after click on test, it redirects to the question page. So the question will be displayed the number of question, time required to attempt that test, and even submit button. We have also given the mark for review for any question, and even the clear selection. The clear selection would clear the previous attempted questions or the previous selection. Even we have given the different options such as how many questions have been attempted, and all these questions are given by the different colors, identified by the different colors. Next is the score page. So after submitting, the user will see the score of the given test, and the profile page. In that profile page the logout button is given, and from that, on the click of that logout button, the application would be exit. Next is the future enhancement. The future scope of the system is that they can use or the creator of the page can use the different options such as uploading file, multiple answer selection, long descriptive answers, etc. So let's move to the application video. So this is the application video. First the user has to log in from its phone number and the password. So after uh, providing the phone number and password, after click on the login button, it sign in. The first page is the home page where the different number of tests are given. The first is the general knowledge, second is one is the Java. This is the home page. And on the account page we have given the logout button, and on this click of logout button the user would be exit from the system. Next we will go to the general knowledge. After click on the general knowledge, there are number of tests, that is test numbers, first test, second test, third test. And on the click of this first test, on the click of this first test, the next page is arrived. On that page we have given the test number, subject name, number of questions, best score till the time, and time required to attempt this test, that is a 30 minutes. After click on the start button, the exam will be started. So the after click on the start button, the exam will be started. Here the question is given, total. Here we have given the number of questions, time is given, submit button is given, and here is the uh, n- uh, we have given the number of questions, and number of questions, even the different colors we have been used. So the green colored circle number means that the question is answered, orange color means the unanswered, pink color means the review, the question is under review, and if the question circle is given in the gray color means that the question is not visited. So we have given the different colors to identify that whether the question is attempted or not. So let's see, we have make the question as mark for review. So the question number 1 is under the review, as we have seen the first question is in the pink color. So let's clear the review and select the question. So we have seen now the we have given the answered, we have answered for the first question. After let's see the clear selection. So after clearing all the selections, we have seen that the first question is the unanswered now, because we have cleared the selection. So similarly we have given all these options for all the questions. So let's proceed for the other questions too. So next question is given next, and we have come to the last question. So after click on the submit button, the application asks that whether you want to exit the test or not. So after click on yes, we have come on the this page where the score is given, the correct number of correct questions, number of wrong question, number of unattempted questions are given, and this is how we have proceed for this application. After click on the logout button, the user would be exit from the system. Thank you.